Background image should be linear gradient like 315 degree. Now I'm adding some transition properties. So just I have here, I'm copying it from here and pasting inside the after property here. Now we'll take a look how it's coming. You can see it is coming like this. Okay, it's looking cool. Now we have to add the icon as well. Okay, so for icon, we have a plugin for the icon. Just coming to the bracket, going to the index page here and going at the very top. Right now, after this style.css, or I'm just going at the very top. Okay, here after the font, before the font or some icon, I'm gonna adding link. This will be having the file name, plugin name or the icon name called themify icons, and before to this I'm gonna adding link like we have a folder et line. Inside this we have a style.css. Friends, these two files are basically used for the icon, okay, and I am giving these files in the description so you can download it easily. You can even use font or some icon, it's up to you totally, but I need some outline icon, that's why I have put here. You can see it is coming here, but it is just very tiny, isn't it? We have to increase its width and height, obviously. So coming back to the bracket, okay, we are going on the style.css, and now we have a class called icon inside the box 1. Let me show you. You can see we have box 1 class, inside this we have icon class. So I am targeting this icon class with class called box 1. I am putting some line height to this like 60 pixel, and also I'm gonna adding font size 40 pixel and then color like white. Yep, you can see it has got adjusted beautifully. If you want to increase its font size or the icon size, then you can do it. It's up to you totally. This time we have to work for the content, which is containing the heading text, paragraph text. Okay, so it is here h5p. These are the selector which is coming inside the content class. So I'm just coming to the style.css, mentioning here box 1, and inside this we have content class. Let me show you. Here we have box 1. Okay, inside this we have the content. Okay, now I'm putting some padding top to this like 25 pixel. Right now we have the heading tag inside the class called box 1, that is h5. So just putting some margin bottom to this like 30 pixel, color should be white, and font size something around 25 pixel. Friends, you can keep on changing its value, it's up to you totally. Okay, now this time we have to work for the hover state. Okay, so right now I'm putting box 1, and on the box 1 I'm using hover, and also I'm using some pseudo property called before. Now I'm putting top value like minus 72 pixel, and left will be minus 40 pixel, and again I'm putting border radius to this like 50%. If I show you, then definitely will get the hover effect there. Let me show you. See, it is working like this, but we have to put all the gradient over this on the hover. Okay, so what I'll be doing right now, I'm gonna adding some after property on the hover with a box 1. So this is the box 1, we have hover, and on the hover I'm gonna using after properties. Sorry, after. Very first I'm gonna adding content. Okay, this time we'll have to add width like 120%, and left should be minus 10%, top should be minus 10%, and height should be 120%. Now I'm adding border radius to this like 0, and again I'm using transition property. So we have a transition properties already putting here. Just make sure to copy it. Okay, going there, inside that I'm just putting here. Okay, now I'll be taking a look how it's coming. Yep. Friends, finally we have made it. See here how cool it is. It's looking kind of cool, isn't it? Now we have to change its color. Okay, it's very easy. Coming back to the file, okay. And on the index page, you can see we have a title, okay. So right now I'm just putting text like white and it will get transformed beautifully. Yep. So friends, finally in this class we have done this part. It's looking kind of cool, isn't it? Now we have to put this border just before or just after this section. So what I'm doing, I'm going to the index page. There I'll be calling a class called separated just before to the section ends. Here I am putting here separated and it's done. See, we are getting here, but I'll be putting inside the container class.